Did you know that Brazilian waxing can last up to 6 weeks, making it a popular choice for smooth skin? Here's everything you need to know to get started. In this video, you'll learn the ultimate Brazilian wax tutorial designed specifically for beginners in 2024, ensuring you have all the tips and tricks for a successful experience. Alright, let's dive in. So, let's talk about why Brazilian waxing can be a bit intimidating, especially a lot of beginners worry about the pain factor, like, is it gonna hurt? And then there's the whole technique thing. What if you mess it up? Plus, don't forget about aftercare. It's super important to know how to take care of your skin post-wax to avoid any irritation or issues. All these thoughts can make the idea of a Brazilian wax seem pretty daunting, right? But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll feel so much more confident and ready to tackle it. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. First things first, you need to gather your tools. You'll want to have a high-quality wax, some wax strips if you're using soft wax, a spatula for spreading the wax, and don't forget some soothing lotion for afterward. Oh, and if you're feeling fancy, maybe some baby powder to help absorb moisture before you start. Now, here's a step-by-step on how to perform the wax safely. Start by prepping your skin. Make sure it's clean and dry. That's super important. Apply a thin layer of baby powder to keep things nice and dry. Once that's done, heat up your wax according to the package instructions. Test a small amount on your wrist to check for the right temperature, no one wants to get burned. Then, using your spatula, apply the wax in the direction of hair growth, and make sure to leave a thicker edge so you can grab it easily. When you're ready to remove it, hold your skin taut with one hand and pull the strip off quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth with the other hand. And remember, quick is key. It'll hurt less if you do it that way. Now, let's talk about reducing discomfort. You might want to take an over-the-counter pain reliever about 30 minutes before your session. Also, try to wax when your pain threshold is highest. Avoid waxing during your period as your skin tends to be more sensitive then. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the actual waxing technique. This is where it all counts. So, first, apply the wax in a small section to get a feel for it. Start with a smaller area, maybe a side or the top, just to get used to the sensation. Once you've applied the wax, hold the skin taut with one hand and swiftly pull the strip off with the other. Keep your movements decisive and quick. Make sure to always pull parallel to the skin, not upwards. This will minimize pain and help you achieve smoother results. Afterward, if you notice any leftover wax, just use some baby oil or a wax remover to clean it up. If redness or bumps appear, don't panic. This is normal. Just apply a soothing lotion afterward to calm your skin down. To wrap up, we've covered a lot today. We started with the essentials you need to get ready for your first Brazilian wax. We talked about the right technique to use, how to reduce discomfort, and what to do afterward for proper care. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with each session, you'll become more confident in your skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video on post-wax care tips. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and